Yeah. Hello guys, I'm Sunil. Today we'll speak in detail about wrapper class. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Sumant, are you there?
Yes, Sunil.
I have
Share.
got. Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. Let's let me share my screen on Gmeet. Yes, can you see my screen? Hello, Sumant. Can you see my screen?
Yes, Sunil. Yeah.
Yeah. So wrapper class. Any idea what is wrapper class? చెప్పండి. By the name itself, you can say something wrapper, right?
Wrapper.
My professor used to teach me in a college like that only. What is wrapper? My CSC branch department professor we have one guy. Yeah, yeah. I try to speak in the same way. What do you mean by wrapper?
Contain some like wrapping.
Yes, that's it. Yeah, exactly. It will do some wrapping. Like for a chocolate, there is a wrapper cover, no? You can say do some wrapping. If you observe the dairy milk chocolate, there is some gold foil wrapper color, right? That's a wrapper.
Yes,
There.
yes.
Like that. So basically here there will be some advantage. Okay, so there will be some advantages. Okay, if you do the wrapping, but there will be some. Again, this is also one of the important topics for project level. Okay. Okay. So definitely, so the ultimate aim is to convert primitive to wrappers. Primitive to wrappers, right? So, guys, have you ever noticed the difference between int and integer? Float and float, right? Char and character. Guys, have you ever got a doubt? We have solved many times. I have used this integer, float, right? Have you ever got a doubt? What is this? Suman?
Yes, yes.
So these are the wrapper version of this. Int is wrapper to integer, float is wrapper to float, char is wrapper to character. Okay, these things we'll see over this. Okay, so once we wrap it to this these type of objects, then these will act like a objects, like customized objects, like student object, customer object, employee object, like that. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. So to wrap primitives to object form. Okay. So that we can handle primitives just like object. Okay. Okay. See, so basically how we'll wrap until by using constructor guys. Okay. So let us speak about the wrapper class constructors. Okay. Integer has its two constructors. Okay. Float have some constructors. Character has some. So we'll see all the constructors. Okay. Na? And once we have a wrapper object, will have access to all the constructors. Okay. 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 Yeah. Guys, almost all the classes, all the wrapper classes have two constructors. Okay, let me clear you. Integer I equal to new integer 10 or anything 100. This is, see, now till now your 100 is type of int. Now it is a type of integer. Okay, Adamaina? Suman, is that fine?
Yeah. Yeah.
So this 100 in the form of string also you can do. Okay, this also, see, string in the form of number also you can wrap it to integer. Integer in the form 2 you can wrap it to integer. Okay. Okay, na? Let me try on the Eclipse.
Oh.
Guys, okay, let us see the example one. Okay, Sumant.
Yeah.
Integer I equal to new integer. Okay. Okay, I think this constructor is deprecated, but okay, no issue. See that, see if you got some strike means that is deprecated. Okay. Okay.
Determines it is removed.
Yeah, from a ninth version it is removed. Okay. But you know, you should learn. Okay. But you know, here and there you find it. Okay. See,
Oh.
wherever, you know, if something is deprecated, you get a strike mark like this. Okay.
Oh.
Okay. If you click on that, it will show, it will, they will add deprecated. Okay. Since 9. Okay. Okay. Na? Okay, because this is 21. Okay. I'm using 21, 18, I think I'm using. So that's why it is deprecated. Okay. No issue. See, but if you take I dot, see, you got all the values, see, all the privileges. See, I dot toString, short value, notify all. See, you now, if it is a normal value of 10, you can't get all these privileges. Okay. But if it is a primitive value, because of that reason, sorry, it is a
Wrapper.
wrapper class object, that's why you are getting these many privileges. These many methods you can call. These many utility methods you can call. Okay. See, double value, hash code. Okay. Notify all. I think you guys aware of notify all, right? And apart from, see, object class contains, wait to notify all toString, right? There are some methods of object class. And this integer class also contains some more methods. And you now you have a privilege of all these methods. You can access all these methods. Okay. And we'll see the advantages of these methods going forward. Okay. Okay, Sumant.
Got it.
Yeah. But last time while I'm practicing, it's been a long time. I feel it was not deprecated, but that's why I was a bit surprised. Oh, it is deprecated. Okay. Okay. See, now Okay, fine. Sumant.
Yes.
So this is the way you can wrap up. Okay. See, this is very easy topic on Sumant. ఇందులో పెద్ద nothing complex actually. Okay.
If you give a string also, it will accept
If you
string.
it won't accept. That's next example. That's only. Suppose if you give someone 1,000 Sunil or
Accept.
it's an error only. It can't understand 1,000 means it's an error. It's a runtime error. Okay.
Okay.
Runtime exception. Ay, shit. See, number format exception. Guys, have you recollected this number format exception? Okay.
Yeah.
So instead of number, if you use some string, you'll get this exception. Okay. This is number format exception. Okay. So let me paste this. Yeah. Now we'll see how to write a float. Okay, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. Now we'll see float defines. What defines three constructors. Three constructors with the see for integer we have integer in the form of number and integer in the form of string, right? But here we have three constructors, right? Let us see what are they with float, string, and double arguments. Guys, is that fine?
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, so basically we'll see how to do the wrapping, okay, for this. Okay. There. Yeah. See, guys, if you keep some 34.56, can you tell me what this mean? You are not getting what you're saying.
Uh-huh. My question is that is the which value, float or double?
Float value.
Uh-huh.
Float value.
Sumanta?
Hello.
Yeah, Sumanta, is that a float value or a double?
He give F only, it is float value.
Yes, exactly. If you keep F only, that is a float value. Okay. Nyamka,
Yeah,
please
that's what
make note of it.
Good.
Yeah, okay. So this is the float value. Now, see that is earlier double one. Now it is a float. Okay. F2, F1 and F2. So float class have three constructors. Float, double, and string. Okay.
Okay.
That string should be in the form of number only. Otherwise, you get number format exception. Okay. Please make note of it, guys. Okay.
Okay.
See. Okay, I'm not printing anything, right? Yeah, yeah. Sorry, I'm not printing anything. Okay, okay, wait. So, okay, let us run the code. Okay, guys, is that fine?
But I got the first one for f is equals to 10.56 correct output or now.
Correct output only, but I'm saying, we have three constructors. One is for double argument, one is for float, and one is for string, right?
Okay.
Okay, now see, this is taking a string. Okay, and if you see here, it is taking a float, right? And if you click here, it is taking double. See, okay. So this is nothing but polymorphism only, right? They are doing internally.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, is that clear so far?
Yes, sir.
Then lexicon double also, no? Double.
Yeah, yeah. Just we'll see. Okay. Now, character class has only one constructor, guys. Okay. Character class has only one constructor. Okay. Only one constructor. Let us see what is that. Okay. Character. Okay. See, it won't accept any string. Okay. Should give in the form of
Okay.
okay, like this one. Okay.
Character inverse wrong.
Okay. Wait, it's giving me the spelling. Huh? Okay, like that. Okay, guys. So you're wrapping normal character to character. Okay. Right. So this is the way. It has only one constructor. Please try to remember. Int has two, float has three constructors, and character has only one constructor. Okay, which will take only string as argument. Okay. Okay. Chalo. Yeah. Now we'll go for Boolean. Okay. Boolean has the two constructors. Okay. So while writing, you should write appropriate Boolean be equal to no Boolean is true. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let us try this. This is something crazy. Okay. This true can be form of this also. Okay. Right. Okay, now, guys. Let us see this out. See, true and true. Guys, is that fine?
Yes, Suresh.
Now, my answer is, if I see this, obviously this true cannot modify, we can't modify. We can modify this true to capital T, right? Now, what will be my answer here? Yes, give a guess.
Error.
No, true only.
Okay. But small.
Yeah, it can understand easily. Okay. Okay, let us take TR. Now, what will be my answer?
Still same.
Still same, true only. Okay, it can understand. So, it will just, if it is a case sensitive or, if it is a capital true or a small true, okay, it can easily understand. But if you just, if you give any other value apart from true, it will take it as a false. Now it is a false only. Okay. It is a false. See, true and false. Okay, now even if you give false, that is fine. Okay, false, you can understand. But any apart from true, okay, whatever you give, okay, TRUE, okay, apart from these four letters, okay, whether it is a positive, capital or lower, okay, apart from these four combinations, these combinations, we give any combination, it is a false. Okay, okay, na? Sumant.
Got it.
So if you give my name also, it is false only. We'll give your name also, Sumant. It will give false only. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. So this is about the Boolean, right? And let us see some more things.
So like wrapper class can be done. Okay, we can like for only primitive, like we can't do for any like object like.
No, wrapper class means if the point, the concept is a conversion from a primitive to wrapper class objects.
Okay.
Okay.
I mean, like if some string class is there, can we wrap all that? Sorry, string I'm saying employee class is there, student class like.
No, we can't further.
Okay.
See, this is the customized. This is the type of customized object, right? Like employee student. The whole point of getting to this level only. Then what is the point of doing for them? You got it right?
Yes.
They're already objects only. Okay. Yeah. Boolean in the form of Boolean and string, right? Now, in the similar way, we have remaining also. Let me just, I don't want to give explanation for them also. Just
Yes. Understood.
everything. You got it right now?
Yes.
Okay. So, for byte, this is byte, okay, byte and string. And what else? Short, comma string, right? Integer, we have int comma string, right? Guys, now tell me what for float. What is the case with float? Tell me. Guys, you tell me what is float? How many constructs are there? I just told no.
Three constructs.
Yeah, what are they? Float, double string.
Float.
And double, we can easily guess double comma string, okay?
Yes.
And the character,
Only one.
only one. Okay, don't say string, okay? Only character only. Guys, this means you are, so for capital proper, byte proper class, we can convert byte and string. For short proper class, we can convert short and string. And int and string, right? And float double string, okay? Like that, okay?
Okay.
And Boolean,
Boolean.
చెప్పండి Boolean comma string అంతే కదా. That's what I told you. Yeah, guys, now tell me what is toString method will do basically. If you call an any object, what my toString method will return?
Will convert to two string. string,
No, Sumant. It's a very important thing. Suppose if there is student object, right?
oh,
I told you clearly yesterday.
okay, yes, toString will give the,
Yeah, tell me. Yeah, you are very near. Yeah. So if you print
if you
FOP,
want to print the details, like, yeah,
what will
student
be-
contains some roll number or ID, it will toString. That will.
No, basically toString will return me the hash code. But if
Hash
you
code.
override the hash code method, uh, sorry.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes. So if you
Hash code
so if
okay,
you
right?
override the toString method, okay, with the proper content, that will return you proper content. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, na?
Just to
Yeah.
return the content. Yeah.
Correct. So if you print something and it will so if you print yes, it will internally call toString method. Or if you call directly toString, both will give the hash code of the object. Okay. So in the same way, in the wrapper classes, all the wrapper classes, toString method is already overridden. Okay. Classes. toString method is already overridden. With its content, it will give the content. Basically, in the student class, we used to override, right? Okay, like if in Eclipse will right click source toString, it will give the content, right? But in wrapper class, they have already overridden. Okay, guys,
Yes.
let us do that. Just to give you the value. Okay. So what I want to say here, your toString method is already overridden, and which will give you the content. Okay. Okay. And equals method, చెప్పండి. Equals method, same way it is overridden for content comparison. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Guys, now tell me, my question to you guys is, in string class, what my equals method will do?
String class,
What my equals method will do?
it will compare the content.
But in string buffer,
It will compare the hash.
references, exactly, references.
Yeah, references. Yeah.
Okay, so in string buffer, they have overridden in some way. Sorry, see, basically in object class, equals method will do, okay, reference comparison only. Method will do reference comparison only. Okay, fine, Suman.
Yes.
But in string class, they have overridden. But in string class, they have overridden. Okay. String class, they have overridden for content comparison. Okay. Sumant, is that fine? In the same way, wrapper classes also they have overridden for content comparison. Okay. That's what I'm trying to compare. Draw some analogy over here. Okay.
Wapper class also.
They have overridden for content comparison only. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. But in string buffer, they haven't overridden. That's why it is doing content comparison. Okay. Still, okay. Got it right? Both are childs, string and string buffer are childs of object class, right? Someone.
Yes.
So string class they have overridden for content comparison, but equal, string buffer there is no overriding for equals method. That's why it is doing still reference comparison for string buffer, but not case with the string. Okay. For string, if you want to do reference comparison, yeah. Suppose if you in the string class, if you want to do reference comparison, what you should do over there?
Double equals.
Exactly, double equal. Okay. Super. Okay. Yeah. Now we'll have some methods. Okay. We'll speak those methods. Okay. Utility methods. Yeah. So utility methods means value of. Okay. Something you can say value. See that three dots you can replace with int value, float value, anything. Okay. This is one more method. Okay. And parse dot. That three dots you can write parse into parse dot like that. Okay. And we'll see every method in detail. Okay. So you can say ABC. Okay. That ABC you can write with int float like that. You can replace here also ABC. So is that fine?
Yes.
And two string. Yeah, let us have that let us go one by one. Okay, these methods. Okay, na? And these are very crucial methods. Okay, more than constructors, these are very crucial. Okay, let us have some understanding about this. Okay, so we can first one value of. We can use value of method to create wrapper object for a given primitive. Okay, in the same way. Okay, wrapper object to create a wrapper object, we use the value of method. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let us try that. Okay, how we can perform it. We'll see one example. Okay, guys, is that fine?
Sure.
Integer I equal to, okay, so integer dot value of. Okay.
Okay.
So here you're trying to convert 10 to wrapper object. See, your 10 is nothing but a primitive object, right? Okay, like that. Okay, so you can replace the 10 with the string also. Okay. Guys, is that clear, Sumanta?
Yes. Okay.
Now double.
Yes.
Let's have some other thing. Double D1 equal to double dot value of. Now you can give some double value. 23.45 is a double value, right? Sumant?
Yes.
It is now you're converting the primitive to wrapper class again. Okay, here also. Okay. The same thing you can give. So in this way, you can use value of method. Okay.
Hmm.
Like that. Okay. So you can make like that. How to do the shortcuts? Just forgot. Okay. This out, right?
Sys out.
Okay, that will be. Okay. So you can know, right? So you can print and you can do, right? So there is
Yes,
no
yes,
need
got
to
it.
do this,
Yeah.
right? Yeah. So you got it, right? The whole thing is like how you perform with constructor. The same thing you are doing with the value of method. Okay.
Yes.
So here by the whole concept of value of is changing a primitive to wrapper object. Am I correct? Guys, am I
Yes.
correct? Okay. Primitive or string. Okay. String is not from primitive, but again. Okay. So and it's not a wrapper class also. Okay. So primitive or string to wrapper object. Okay. Guys, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, the second method, I told this ABC value. Okay, we'll see. This one will convert wrapper object to primitive in the reverse way. Okay. Okay. Let us check. Let us try that. Okay, Sumant. I use some example. Okay.
Sure.
So your I is nothing but a wrapper object, right?
Mm.
So here you can write int x equal to I dot int value. See, I told ABC value. Your ABC you can replace with int. Okay. See, your I is a wrapper object, your x is a normal object. So you can convert like this. Okay. Okay, Nasmut.
Yes.
Let us try the same thing for float. Okay. So we can wrap this also. Okay.
No, you are converting object to primitive, right?
Exactly. Okay, okay, like that. Okay, so this way you can use see their ABC represent X, their ABC it represents the float. Like that we can. Okay, guys, is that clear?
Yes, yes.
Okay, because this float will take double also, there is no issue. Okay, yeah, okay. Let us run the code, guys. Basically, you know, in the project level, if you use any deprecated code, you will get vulnerabilities, guys. Okay, so my humble suggestion is don't use any deprecated code in the project level. Okay.
Yes, sir. This is for practice, so we
Yeah, yeah, exactly. Okay, so even I myself is a prime victim for that. Okay, అందుకని చెప్తున్నాను. Okay. Okay. Vulnerabilities means critical issues వచ్చేస్తాయి. So there is a separate tool అన్నమాట. Okay, there is a separate tool called sonar. Okay, for us. Okay.
Okay.
So this sonar will
Check.
check the code quality. Wherever it finds something, you know, weak or loose,
Deprecated code.
it will highlight. Okay, the whole code. Okay, so wherever there is something loophole, then so again you'll get comments from your manager or you know team lead. Okay, so
Got it.
please don't do these things. Okay, in the project level. Okay, yeah. Okay, so I think you can apply for int value, float value, char value, double value, boolean, everything, right?
Yes, yes.
So I won't teach everything in detail. Okay, yeah. Okay. Okay. Now parse ABC. Guys, have you ever used the word parse int anywhere? Where I have used it many times in problem solving. Have you?
Yes. Yeah,
ఎక్కడ వాడారు చెప్పండి? I used to write integer dot parse int.
Converting
Yes.
conversion of integer to
No.
string.
String in the form of integer.
Integer.
Yeah. String to int మనం చాలా సార్లు వాడానండి. Okay, this method I use it many times. Okay, let me explain about this. Okay. Parse ABC. Okay. So we can use this method to convert strings to its primitive form. Suppose if the string in the form of integer, we can convert it to integer. So string in the form of a float, we can convert to float like that. Okay. Primitive form. Okay. Yeah. Okay, let us try that. Okay. Guys, are you following so far? What I was trying to say.
Yes, Sandeep, yeah.
See, this integer class contains min value, max value. I think if you remember for a minimum number and maximum number in problem solving, I use integer dot min value, integer dot max value, right?
Yeah.
Your I value is nothing but int. Okay. Right? Yeah, like that. Okay, guys. Double d1 equal to double dot parse double. Okay. Yeah. So in this way, you can use parse into parse double parse dot. Okay. I don't teach every method. You guys can try it. Okay. Guys, is that fine?
Yes.
Yeah, please do that. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So the summary of this parse int is to convert string to its primitive form. Am I correct?
Yes.
String to its own primitive form. Okay. This is the summary. Okay. Okay. Right. The last one, guys. Two string. చెప్తారా ఇది నేను చాలాసార్లు వాడాను చెప్పండి టూ స్ట్రింగ్
Two string method.
so
It converts the
basically two string method will the different type of two string is string, right?
string. Yes, yes.
So here what I want to say, the point which is already due to you, sorry, already which is known to you, but I want to mention it. So this two string method will convert any primitive type or a wrapper class object to string form. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay na? Okay, let us try that. Okay. Okay. Here every wrapper class contains two string method to convert wrapper class object to two string. Okay. So it is overriding version of the object class. Okay. So in object class we have a two string method which will return the hash code. In that wrapper classes we override the two string method. Okay. Which I already mentioned. Okay. Earlier, right? Whenever we are trying to print a wrapper object, internally the two string method will be called. Okay.
Yeah.
That is which you already know. Whenever you trying to print any reference, right? Or trying to print any reference. Okay. Guys, is that clear? Let us try some examples. Okay. Guys, okay. This S is nothing but in the form of string. Okay. And if you print directly to internally, it will call two string method, which is same with the student, customer, or employee, which is same with the wrapper class object. Okay, guys, is that clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, let me run the code. So we have done with all the form of methods, and you tried with the remaining. Okay, I don't want to, I don't want to draw something over here. Okay. Let me draw some hierarchy diagram. Okay, using paint. Okay. So first, and what is the parent, guys, for everything?
Object.
Definitely. Okay. So we have many types for objects. Okay. Let us draw them. Okay. First one is string buffer, string builder. Okay. Right. You know, right? And when compared to here, this Wapper classes, one child is number. Okay. For the number class, we have all the byte short, they are all chains. Okay. Okay, Sumant.
Yeah.
So we have here byte short into long float double. Okay, let us try that. Byte short in long float double. Okay, these are all the wrapper classes, right?
Yeah.
See, sorry, I is not int guys, integer. Okay, okay, sorry, my bad. Integer, okay, because we are writing wrapper, teaching wrapper class, so you should be more specific. Okay, yes, is capital short. Okay, short, long. Okay, right, and float and double. Okay, so these are all chains which are at the same level. Okay, but I can't draw over the paint like exactly, but we try to understand. Okay. Okay. And we have one more, character and boolean are not chains of number, but we have a separate hierarchy, character here and boolean here. Okay. So this is the hierarchy of wrapper class. Like how exception you need to remember this, but not that much important. But again, we can't predict how the situations in the life. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Some interview might have, okay, you can't, but you need to. Okay.
No.
Okay. This is how the hierarchy. Okay. Okay, guys.
Yes.
Okay, now we'll move to the next topic, the last topic of wrapper class. Auto boxing and auto unboxing. Yeah, guys, so I think it's a long class, but try to bear, 10 to 10 to 15 minutes I'll wrap up the class, okay?
Sure, sure.
Because I don't want to make this pending. Okay. Okay,
Auto boxing and unboxing.
yeah. So this is introduced in 1.5 version. Java 1.5 version. Okay. Okay. So until 1.4 version, we can't provide wrapper object in the place of primitive and primitive in the place of wrapper. Okay. See, basically, suppose if you write like this, integer I equal to 10. This is valid, guys. Okay. This is valid. 1 minute, I equal. Okay, so this is valid, guys, but till 1.4 version, this is not valid because this is a primitive type. Okay, this is wrapper class, right? This is not valid, but till from 1.5, we have concept of auto boxing and auto unboxing. Okay, so that's why it is valid. I will tell you what it is exactly. Okay, I will tell you the definition also. Okay, okay, now, guys, is it okay?
Yes.
Auto boxing means the boxing means automatic conversion of wrapper object by the compiler. అంటే మనం ప్రిమిటివ్ ఇచ్చినా ఇట్ కెన్ ఆటోమేటికల్లీ కన్వర్ట్ అన్నట్టు. ఓకే, బై కంపైలర్. దిస్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ ఆటో బాక్సింగ్. ఓకే, ఓకేనా? సో ఇప్పుడు I already to give you the example. See, this is internally you're doing auto boxing. Okay, internally ఏమవుతుంది? It is calling the integer dot value of method here. Okay, Sumanth.
That means it is converting from primitive to object.
Exactly, primitive to object. But even if you write simply 10 also, that is valid from 1.5. That means they have introduced the concept of auto boxing. There is no need to use value of method every time. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. We keep 20. This is also fact. And there, but internet is keeping on it. Okay. Okay. Okay, right? So this is the thing on it. Okay, guys, is that clear?
So if integer I6 30, we can add 20 plus 30 I5 plus I6 like that.
Sorry, 20? What do you call?
I mean we can declare one more integer I is equal to 30 and add equal to something 20 plus 30 also we can do, right? Operation.
Yes, yes, we can do. We can do. Okay. If you have a doubt, let us try it. Yeah, okay. That's it.
Yes.
Okay. Now this is the auto boxing, right? Okay. Now what is auto unboxing, guys? You can guess it from here.
It's a reverse process.
Exactly.
Means automatic.
Cheppandi. Automatic conversion of wrapper class object to primitive. Ante. What is there?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I want to give some example over here. Okay. I am removing this. See, I can say int x equal to I. After it will take. This is nothing but auto unboxing. Ante. But guys, can you tell me which method I'm using here internally by the compiler? You need to guess here. Yeah, earlier I told value of method, right? While auto boxing. For unboxing,
Yes.
based on the above scenario, you need to tell integer dot int value. Right? Internally is using this method, okay?
Yeah.
Right? Okay, okay. This I should be 10, right? Yeah. Error. Oh, sorry. You need to directly call, okay? I dot it, yeah. I dot it. This is internal is doing this, okay? Okay. So based on the wrapper object, you need to call this int value method, okay? I told you ABC value. Remember float value, int value, double value, okay? Guys, have you understood now? This is
Yes.
auto unbox.
Yeah.
Okay? There, if you write int x equal to I, it is internally calling int value method on I. Okay, ante. That's what I'm trying to say here. Let us go with float. So internally, f dot float value it is calling. Okay, you need to understand in this way. Okay, guys.
Yes.
So for auto boxing, internally it is using value of, for auto unboxing it is using ABC value. Okay, it's fine, right, guys? Okay. Guys, that's the end of wrapper class. Let me stop recording.